Good morning viewers, and then thank you for watching our video. I want to show us a video of how we are producing the garri from our farm. What you are seeing on your YouTube is a place where we choose, and then we are planning to set up our garri processing unit on our farm. And our farm is in Yemi Ilori Farm and Processing. What the call is showing and where the hand is pointing is a place where we are planning to put our garri processing unit, and I will show us how we started from erection of the building to where the garri is produced. Though the construction is still ongoing, but I want to show us what we are doing. And then thank you for joining us. And thank you for this is a block that we molded, and then we are planning to use for the building. And then this is a place where we are mixing the gravel with the cement for the foundation of the building. You see the workers working there, and then that is our local contractors that we are planning, or they've been working for us. That is a bricklayer, and this is the greater machine that we pick up from our local fabricator. This machine, and that is the presser. So the two were fabricated by local, whether as a popular call in Nigeria, and then it's being picked up from a shop going to the farm. This place is erection of the washing area, where is a place where the cassava is peeled, we bring it down to this place to be washed before we do the grating. So there's a lot going on the farm, and then this is a place where the cassava will be washing. Also, that is the machine, the grater that was picked from the local weather. You see it's already erected with with the foundation base. So we have to do this before we do the building proper, so that for the place to be neat, and then we don't want to do the building then come back to this. It will affect the foundation of the building. And that is the presser standing. So that is the cassava presser. So we have to erect that one as well with a solid base. So there's a lot going on our farm at the moment. It's another unit of Yemi Ilori Farm and Processing. So that is the presser. It comes with the hydraulic jack. Then this is the unit. This is the place. The man there working is the elderly man. Is the one doing the local garri, and where they use mud and they mixing it. Is a place where they will put that local garri fryer on top. So we use his experience to make sure he did that job for us very well. See the baba working, that is the elderly man, is very good with his work. He's mixing the mud with the water, and then he will use that one for the erection where they put the local garri fryer on top. So that is baba working there, and then he's doing job very well. That is a local garri fryer. It's being done by a local fabricator. It's very good, and then it's easier to use with the when the women are frying with the garri. Also, that is a place where we are planning to put the local garri fryer. That is what the baba is doing. After mixing the mud, then is doing it bit by bit. He has to get to a certain height before they will put the local garri fryer. Then we will leave it for like 4 or 5 days for the place to be dry very well before we start using it. So that is the the plank, the wood that we got for the building. We have to use that one to make sure before we set up the building. So we got that so that we use for the stand. And then this is our cassava harvested. So we harvested the cassava. That is the cassava harvested. That is the cassava you are showing on your on your YouTube, on your screen. So, and then that is our cassava harvested for ready for the peeling. And then this is the peelers. We employ this local women, and they are doing the peeling of the cassava. They are very good. Those are the people we employed locally, and they are doing the peeling for us. So you can see them on your video. They are the one doing all the peeling for us. So after they were with their, what do you call it, they are very good. And then after finishing with the peeling, we took it for washing on the same farm as well. That's our van. So we doing the washing of the cassava very well. And this is the cassava grating where the machine is working, what do you call it, and grating all the cassava. And then this firewood that we got for the frying, and then that is the wood. We got so many because we are doing a lot of cassava there. We need so many wood. And then this is the end result where we are doing the frying. You see what the bad that is women working there. That is what we call women doing the frying of the garri. And then that is the garri ready, and this is a video showing the garri is ready on our farm. So this is the process of what they call it, making a cassava, and the process of making a process from cassava to garri. And then that is our product, a nice garri, either yellow or white garri. You can see, and you can place your order.